Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of the Samsung Galaxy S series, which has set the bar high for premium smartphones. As we gear up for the S25 Ultra, the excitement is skyrocketing, and we can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us. So, what are the 6 key elements on our wish list for the S25 Ultra? Let's jump right in. 1. Display. Mobile phone. The Galaxy S24 Ultra already boasts one of the best displays in the world, but we're dreaming big for the S25 Ultra. Imagine a display that's even brighter, reaching up to 3200 nits. Perfect for those sunny outdoor days. And there's a buzz about a super slim bezel, giving us even more screen space. Sounds amazing, right? 2. Performance. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor is expected to take the S25 Ultra's performance to the next level. Think lightning-fast speeds and improved battery efficiency. Plus, more RAM, 16GB to be exact, means smoother multitasking and future-proofing your device for upcoming updates and apps. 3. Camera. With flash. We're all about capturing those perfect moments, and an upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera would be a game-changer. Better low-light performance, enhanced dynamic range, and AI-driven photo improvements? Yes, please! 4. Battery and charging. High-voltage faster charging is a must. While the S24 Ultra has 45W charging, we're hoping for at least 60W in the S25 Ultra. Plus, with battery AI that learns from your usage patterns, you could get optimized battery life for all-day use. 5. Software. Desktop computer. One UI 7 is on the horizon, promising a smoother and more intuitive interface. Features like seamless upgrades mean fewer reboots and more convenience. And with up to 7 years of software support, your S25 Ultra will stay fresh and up-to-date. 6. Additional features. Video game. Enhanced haptic feedback, thanks to a larger vibration motor, will make gaming and using the S Pen even more immersive. And with modern CPUs, effective thermal control through a larger vapor chamber will keep your device cool during intense use. Looking back arrow. It's been a year since the S24 Ultra wowed us all. While it was a stellar phone, some issues cropped up over time, like display quality concerns and delayed Android updates. But overall, it still offers amazing performance. As we eagerly await the official announcement of the S25 Ultra, let's keep our fingers crossed that Samsung ticks all these boxes. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.